First enter the institute code. Select here the admin and here enter the login name and enter password also. Then sign in. Now I am explaining the bank master. We need to add a bank details so that we can monitor our bank balance clearly. First we go to accounts module and select the bank master. Here the right side plus new, we can select this. Here enter the bank name and account number also. And here enter the opening balance. After filling these details, we can save here. The bank master enter saved successfully.